So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about,
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another banger video. In this video you will see where my sister will be getting a tattoo, and I asked her to vlog the process, but you see, she not really understand the vlogging thing. This is how I get the video clips, and I said I'm not going to waste it, I'm still going to use it. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share, and in the rest of the video I am going to play some music behind it. So please, may I beg you to watch the video to the end. Please do not skip any of it, just watch it to the end. This is how we're going to get our watch hours in. So please guys, watch the video, share the video, comment, like and subscribe, and we will see you all in our next video. And I promise you, Billy will be in the next video. I know you guys miss him very much, and Billy will be back in the next video. So bye guys, see you all in our next video. Bye.